ko. Isang taon ako di bibili ng toothpaste. Thank you. Oh, what's this? What's this? Mamaya. Ito pa. Ito ba yung sinasabi, lalabs? Ano yung sinasabing lotion? Ay, Enchanture! Ito pala yun! Enchanture! Ito lang yung topic namin the last time. Wow! Perfume soap. Diyos ko, gaganda na ako nito. Perfume talc. Thank you! Tsaka ito yun. Ito talaga. Ito talaga yung topic namin pinag-usapan the last time. Enchanture lotion. Oh my God. Aloe vera and olive butter. Thank you. Thank you, Lalas Jolly. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Later. Here he goes. Thank you so much, Lalabs. Diyos ko, ang favorite ko, Toblerone. Thank you po. Ayan, Nutella. We got Nutella. We got, tamarind candy ata to, Diyos ko. This is a tamarind candy. Thank you. Olive oil. Toothpaste. Enchanture. Romantic, sabon yan. Ayan, we have a powder. Enchanture. Diyos ko, Enchanture. And lotions. And shampoo, Pantene. Maraming salamat, Lalas Jolly. Thank you so much for this one. Hindi naman ako nag-expect na Imagine ko lang talaga ito, Enchanture na lotion. But anyways, thank you so much. This is an advance parang Christmas gift. Maraming salamat, Lalas Jolly. God bless you more. Thank you.